Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how to get an early harvest of zucchini, cucumbers, pumpkins and watermelons that we will grow in the open field. The most important thing is to sow them in time, and for an early harvest all these garden crops need to be grown through seedlings, because each of them has its own growing season, during which the plant needs time. For example, zucchini takes about 40 days from germination to the first harvest, cucumbers 30 days, watermelons 70 days, and pumpkins 100 days. Therefore, if we sow these crops with seeds directly into the ground, we will get a very late harvest. Let me show you an example from Ukraine, the city of Kharkiv, which is where I live. This is the air temperature in May last year. As you can see from the graph, we get consistently warm temperatures during the day after May 15th. Only at this time can you start sowing cucumbers, zucchini, pumpkins and watermelons in the ground, because these garden crops do not grow if the temperature is below 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. It will take them about 5 days to germinate, which will be on May 20th. And we will start harvesting cucumbers around June 10th and zucchini on June 20th and watermelons and pumpkins even later. But if we sow these garden crops for seedlings now and until April 25th at the latest, and then plant the seedlings in open ground after May 15th, we will start harvesting cucumbers around May 25th and zucchini in early June, and we will also get the watermelons and pumpkins 20 days earlier. To do this, we need to take dark half-liter cups with holes at least 5 mm in diameter in the bottom, so that excess moisture can escape very quickly. Be sure to fill these cups with nutritious purchased soil for seedlings or universal soil. You can also put some nitrogen fertilizer in these cups, but organic fertilizer is better. For example, rotted manure, and mix it with the soil. This way, the seedlings will grow faster. But I don't fill the cup completely. I leave about 1.5 centimeters of free space. I'll show you how to sow using watermelons as an example, but this method is also suitable for cucumbers, pumpkins and zucchini. My seeds are professional, they are already processed, so I don't soak them. But if you want to speed up germination by a few days, you can even soak the treated seeds for 5 hours in plain water, and then you can plant them in cups, and this way the seeds will germinate faster. Then I add a 1 centimeter layer of soil to the top of the cups, and I make sure to compact the soil so that the seeds don't sink deeper after watering, and vice versa, so that they don't get washed away by the water. And I spill the cups well with water until the water comes out of the holes from below. Now I leave these cups in the greenhouse during warm days, but since it's still cool at night, I bring them into the house at night and take them back to the greenhouse in the morning. On about the 5th day, I get friendly sprouts. If you soak the seeds, you can get sprouts on the 3rd or 4th day at the most. And I will grow the following varieties. Romaria watermelon. They grow dark, very large, up to 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. They are very sweet and the yield is very high. Also, watermelon top Mara. These are regular, sweet, large watermelons. And also the Charleston Gray watermelon. I will be growing it for the 2nd year. It is late but very productive, and most importantly, it is very fragrant, sweet, and its flesh is very juicy. Be sure to try it, you'll love it. Also this year I want to make zucchini caviar and have purchased the marigold variety, as well as my favorite variety that grows in a bush called Asma, very productive and very tasty. The pumpkins will be grown by Matilda. He's productive, he has a lot of flesh and little hollow. The Atlas variety, also very productive, with a small seed chamber. And of course, Muscat de Provence. This is my favorite. It has very oily flesh and the pumpkins grow all as one, about 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. And I will grow cucumbers for the open ground, the Phoenix and the Salem cucumber. So friends, to whom the information in this video was useful, be sure to like it, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.